Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasie. Yes, you guys, I am finally back from my break. This is the first time that I'm filming since I got back from my trip, and it feels great, and I hope you guys enjoy how this look came out. I am doing a very fun collaboration that was created by Sela May. She is one of my boos here on YouTube. I will link her channel as well as the other ladies that are doing the collaboration in the description box down below, and along with that is going to be all the products that I used. I was really happy that I was able to film this collaboration with these ladies. Thank you, Sela, for including me. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I would love if you join my little ohana that I have here. And yeah, I didn't want to go like crazy all out, but the eyes, as you can see, these can be worn on its own. So if you like how I just did the eyes, you guys can just do the eyes. But of course, this is a festival makeup, like Coachella inspired, so I had to jazz it up just a little. But I'll show you guys how I did this look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for sticking around, and without further ado, let's just jump right on into this tutorial.